Hi, my name's Drive-By DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to find the location of the main relay of a Honda Civic 1999 1.4 Sport. This is more for right-hand drive cars, but obviously will work for left-hand drive as well. It's just knowing what you're looking for. So basically what you do, you go underneath the steering wheel, passenger side, go down below where the fuse box is. Basically you pull it out. I've pulled mine right out altogether. What you do is just go all the way underneath, and you're looking for the relay with the grey casing, which is there. You can see that just hanging there. It's got a connector on it as well, a red connector. It's got 10mm, going even more. There's a 10mm fastener there. You undo that and just slip it out, undo the connector and slip it out and do what you've got to do with it. But there it is, it's right there. Hopefully this helps you when you're looking for your main relay. There's obviously lots of other relays in here, but that's the main one. And do what you got to do with it. My name's Drive-By DIY. Hopefully this helps you, for you DIY enthusiasts. Helps you do what you got to do. If this helps you, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.